So we are so excited this morning. We have Celeste here in the studio. She has never worn extensions before other than clip-ins, so we are so excited to give her her very first set of permanent extensions. We have chosen 6 packs of DC0 in wavy. That way we kind of match her natural texture. So go ahead and stick around and watch this transformation. So we got Celeste all finished up and she looks absolutely stunning. We put 6 packs of DC0 in wavy 24 inches. So next we're gonna get her styled and get her into makeup, and we can't wait to show you the final results. So we have Celeste all finished here in the studio and she looks absolutely stunning. We installed 6 packs of DC0 wavy in 24 inches. Her and I were talking earlier and she absolutely loves that she can run her hand down the back of her head and you can't even feel the extensions. If you want to know more about the transformation today, follow along on our IG or Facebook. We're going to post frequently, or you can shoot us a DM or call us at 1-855-DREAM-TEAM.